this or this? I mean, you don't know until you try, right? It's been raining, so oh my god, don't look at that.
Girl, just put the hat on.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Who wouldn't want this?
Wait, now you gotta put the other one on top.
Oh my! That's so smart. That's literally so smart. Wait, what if the orange birds were on the orange bird? The ultimate orange bird.
Yeah, they look like they're resting in a nest.
Oh my gosh, guys! I just unlocked
Like
something new here.
Mama.
How could you hate this? You cannot. Oh my god.